Press the power button, and your PC just doesn't turn on. No lights, no display, nothing. Yeah, don't panic. This problem is usually caused by power or hardware issues. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step checks you can safely try at home. First, check the power cable and wall socket. Make sure the cable is firmly connected and the outlet is actually working. Now perform a power reset. Unplug the power cable, then hold the power button for about 15 seconds to drain leftover electricity. If you're using a laptop, remove the battery if possible, and try turning it on with only the charger. For desktop PCs, check the power supply switch at the back. Next, unplug all external devices like USB drives, printers, or external hard disks. Sometimes faulty accessories prevent startup. If the PC turns on but there's no display, check your monitor power and display cable connection. If you're comfortable opening the PC, try reseating the RAM. Loose memory sticks are a very common reason PCs fail to start. Pay attention to any blinking lights or beep sounds. These signals help identify hardware problems like RAM or motherboard issues. If nothing works, test with another charger or power supply if available. Faulty adapters are more common than people think. And that's it. One of these steps usually brings a dead PC back to life. If your system still won't power on, it may need professional repair, but at least now you've checked all the safe fixes first.